Hello, so today I have set up a little LED project with the microbit, and this is a simple one using one LED and one resistor with some crocodile clips. It could be done without the crocodile clips, but here I have one side of the LED put into pin 0 and the other to ground, and then I have the program set up to make it flash. So let's get coding. So for our flashing LED, we want to have forever, and we want to go into our pins. So our pins are in advanced, and we want pins digital write pin 0 to 0. Now here we've got two values we can choose, 0 and 1. 0 is off, 1 is on. And that's the basis of binary, if you know about that. So I'm going to set it first of all to 1. Then I'm going to go into basic and I'm going to pause. I'm going to choose to pause 500 milliseconds. The time you choose will change how fast it pulses, how fast it flashes. Then I'm going to duplicate my digital write pin and I'm going to change the number to 0. And then I'm going to duplicate my pause, and there it is now going to flash. If you look at the virtual microbit, you can see the pin flashing. That's showing when power is going to go and therefore what's going to be lit up. So let's look at connecting our LED to our pin. So when connecting up your LED, it's important to do that in the right direction. Otherwise, the circuit won't work. Electricity can only flow in one direction through a diode, which an LED is a light emitting diode. So you can see here the two ends of the LED, one is slightly longer than the other, this one, and this is a positive leg. So this has to connect to positive. Now on the microbit, our positive is either 3 volt or our pins 0, 1 and 2. So that's where we're going to connect that. Then our resistor, I just have a simple resistor here, and I'm going to tie the leg of the negative leg of the microbit onto the resistor, and then I can just plug them in like I have one side, the positive leg of the LED to pin 0 and the negative leg to ground via the resistor. So put that together, see if it works, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.